Hello, Martin Baker here. I'm over in Hawley in Surrey and looking forward to showing you around one of the first buildings of this size. This is a Kite pre-designed with a special store, maximising the width of the garden within permitted development. So when I met with these clients around about 6 months ago now, we were discussing the depth of the garden. It's a nice sized garden, but they didn't want something too dominant and they didn't want anything coming out towards the house too much. But they did want to maximise the width of the garden. They had a shed there and a little swing, so they did need to incorporate that. So it's worked really nicely. The first one of this size we've ever done, a 4.8 wide by just 2.5 deep main room. That's the Kite pre-designed. I've got these nice large wide doors and large glass on it, really lovely. The 2.5 works perfectly. Lovely office space, used daily as an office, and then in the evenings it comes to a study room for the kids. And then here we've got a nice little lounge and a sofa bed, so it actually sometimes the kids come in here and use it overnight. Because of that, we have actually fitted a smoke detector as well in there. Got the heating on the wall, the nice V200 there, and with the feature wall that the client fitted themselves after we left. And I've got to say, really is nice. These kind of wood panel inside does make a really lovely option. We offer one. This was just retrofitted by the client. So we're looking to maximise the width of the garden, but also work within the permitted development rights. We've kept the building under 2.5, but we've gone for a special width store. This is 2.7 metres wide. We were able to do that for the client, maximising the gap. I mean, look, we are literally on it, because look at the roof overhangs there. They are just inside the curtilage of the garden. Same at the back, same at the right. Lovely use of space in here. Got the bike racks, keeping it all tidy. Some racking over here. And I've got to say, great use. Unlined shed section essentially here. Garden store. We have thought about it. You've got an aluminium threshold there, so you don't get any wear from bringing the mowers in and out or anything like that. Hardwood door, all the normal things you would imagine from a baker's room. This has got a 10-year guarantee, 50-year life expectancy. We've done the heating, the lighting, all the internet. Everything is app run, so all the lighting you can turn on with the app. Steel and timber frame base in this instance has worked really well, and I've got to say, it's a really lovely project. The building is under 2.5 metres, so it does conform to the planning rules. So it's a really lovely building. So I'm really pleased with this one. Tomorrow is a big birthday, and it's going to be a party room, so I'm looking forward to some photos after that. And this building has come with a 5-star review from the clients already. They've been delighted not only with the quality of the building, but also our customer service, and they left a lovely review, and we really do appreciate that. So there you are. That's our 4.8 by 2.5 Kite garden room with that special 2.7 wide store, maxing the width of the garden and working within the planning rules. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share what we do, and thank you.